I'm Mohamed Khalili. I'm 24 years old, and I work with Balich Wonder Studio since 2 years. When I entered Balich Wonder Studio, I thought I wanna study events, because I have the passion for events and everything. Even if you have a lot of experience, it's not enough. So you have to get a lot of knowledge on the industry that you work in. I saw Claire, the founder of the Events Academy. She was very inspiring, to be honest, because I was looking for schools for events. I want to take my, let's say, my experience into academic, because the thing is that I was trying to, let's say, develop the knowledge that I have and have it on a larger scale. Chartered Institute of Marketing and Institute of Hospitality, it's worldwide recognized. So I think everyone, if anyone saw my credentials of any big companies, of course they would consider those as a very big things. I graduated from the Events Academy 10 times more in knowledge and in the events industry. They make the lens wider, let's say. So I started to look about things and think about things in a different way. So it helped me to look and understand a lot about what everyone does. The thing is that I have did a lot of connections from the Events Academy. All my colleagues are working in Europe. So I know one of my colleagues is working in Belgium and the other is working in Greece. Two of my colleagues are working in the UK. It wasn't easy, to be honest. But the thing is that, of course, if you want to achieve something, you always find the time to do it, right? Of course, it's a flexible schedule because I took it very flexible. It was 1 year long. I think if you have the passion for events industry, go for the Events Academy, because in my experience, um, you are learning from the best in the world. So the thing is that it's not just a course of 1 year, it's a thing that you can consider for your whole life for sure. Yeah.